how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to review a very phenomenal product which is all over the internet. And somewhere I heard once that if you want to be a great leader, so you have to be a great planner. So even I wanted to make my next year, that is 2025, a very fruitful year. So for that purpose, I have ordered a very beautiful planner, and this planner is by Ekami, which is a brand by Mitali Sharma, who is a phenomenal doctor, a 2B doctor, and she's also a content creator. She has recently hit 1 million in her YouTube subscribers, so she had done a great sale where every product was available for approx 15% discount. So on that sale I have also ordered a planner for myself, which is this. And the planner is in very safe space. It is not yet damaged. I cannot see it, so I'm going to open it with you all and share you my review. How is this planner?
So my planner came in a beautiful wooden box, which makes it extra safe, and of course it is damage resistant. And firstly I got this invoice where the price of the product was mentioned. As I purchased it in a sale, so I got the price at rupees 849, which is very much affordable, and I have seen other website also, but this price was okay to me. Then I opened the box, and as I opened it, I got the thank you card, which is again personalized for every customer by Ekami. And then I got a poster which says mindset is everything, and in order to achieve anything in your life, the first and foremost thing is your mindset. So yes, this poster was very beautiful, and as it is self design, I loved it. Then comes the center of attraction, the most awaited part, which is the Balance Baby Balance 2025 planner. It has a beautiful illustration of mind to heart, and it's in a beautiful color which is of yellow, and it has a strap which helps you to lock the planner. And it's very beautiful, very aesthetic, and Mitali has tried to give her own touch. And as you start the planner, you got her introduction, and you can also write your highlights of 2024, your mistake, and a very aesthetic page where you can track your periods as well. Then there are some other pages including a calendar where you can start your planning, your monthly goals, your weekly targets, your habit tracker, and many other things. I also loved the part that you can also use it for your daily planning. There is an immense space where you can write your daily goals and track it, and it's a beautiful planner, and I'm very excited to use it. Apart from this, there are also few stickers which is kept in a pocket which is designed at the end of the planner, and it's handmade and it's beautiful, and I'm going to use it with my planning to make it more aesthetic. So yes, it was a beautiful planner. I'm really looking forward to use it. And lastly, you can also log this planner, and I think with the price point she has taken, she has done a tremendous job. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thank you so much for your precious time. And if you loved the planner as well as the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to purchase this particular product, you can visit their website, which is Ekami by Mitali. She has a phenomenal range of products in a very affordable price. Right now the prices though has increased. I purchased it for rupees 849, but their sale has already ended yesterday, so you can purchase it today in the price of 999 rupees, which is again a very good price for this particular products. She has other products as well, like the hampers, the you can buy the sticker books and many other things, so you can just check out their website. So that's all for this video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care.